In the first set of modules that has been released by Guruji.net for quantitative aptitude, we have discussed about fast multiplication. And now, in this second set of modules, let us get an introduction into the fast division methods. You know the typical division operation, for example, say, now to divide 121 by 9, what is the typical operation that carries on? We used to take first two digits, and 9 ones are 9, the remainder is 3, bring the next digit, 9 twos are 9 threes are 27, remainder is 4. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So this is a typical operation method. When 121 is divided by 9, we take the first two digits that are greater than 9 and 9 ones are 9, the remainder is 3, bring the next digit down, 9 threes are 27, the remainder is 4. So for larger numbers, say 5721, to divide it by 9, 8 nines are 6 nines are 54. Bring the next digit, 3s are 27, bring the next digit, 51, and 9 5s are 45, remainder is 6. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So this is the typical division operation where we go step by step. Depending upon the magnitude of the number that we are taking, the complexity of the operation increases. But we can go for a single step division method for any magnitude of the number. We have fast division methods where you can divide the given number irrespective of its magnitude in a single step. So we'll see what is the procedure for getting on to fast division method. Initially, we shall see the fast division method, especially when the divisor is 9. That is, fastly dividing any given number by 9. So this is a particular procedure for dividing any number by 9 in a single step. So first we'll take a 2-digit number, say 12. The typical division operation is 9 ones are 9, remainder is 3. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Now in the fast method, so this is the typical method. Fast method, your first job is to find the number at the unit digit. So 2 is the number at the unit digit. After the unit digit, place a bar. After the unit digit, place a bar. The first step is to bring the number here after the bar to the ones place, to the units place, and add these two numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3. Place the bar, bring the number as it is down. So how to divide 12 by 9 using fast method is, find the number at the units place. 2 is the number at the units place. Place a bar after that. Now find the numbers before it. Here there is only one number before the ones place, that is number 1. Bring the number 1 down to the ones position, add these two numbers, place the bar, bring this number down. So this is your remainder and this is your quotient. Now check it with your typical method. 3 is the remainder and 1 is the quotient. So this is the fast method. I'll tell you how it is fast when we are going for. So this is the fast method. I'll tell you how it is really faster when you can see that when the number is so large, even in that case, you are going to do it within one step. So next we'll take another example. Let us take 21. In the typical method, 9 twos are 18. the remainder is 3. So this is your remainder, this is your quotient. So how shall we do it in the fast method? Write the number 21, find the number in the ones place, that is number 1, place a bar. Now just see what are the numbers before it. Here there is only one number, that is 2. Bring 2 down to this position, add these two numbers, it is 3, place the bar, bring the number down, it is 2. So this is your remainder and this is your quotient. So is the method right? Yes. The quotient is 2, remainder is 3. So we will take another number. Say 33. What is the typical division method? 9 3s are 27, the remainder is 6. In the fast method, write 33. Find the number in the ones place, it is 3, place a bar after it. Bring the number to the ones place, that is 3, add both the numbers, that is 6, bring the number down, place the bar, bring the number down, it is 3. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Are both the methods corresponding with each other? Yes. So our fast method is right. So now let us see for 3-digit numbers. Any number, say we want to divide 121. As I said, the number is large, so the number of levels also will increase. Take 2-digit, 9 ones are 9, remainder is 3, bring the number down, 31, 3s are 27, remainder is 4. This is your quotient. So this is the typical method of doing a division operation by 9. The dividend is a 3-digit number. Now in our fast method, write as it is 121. What is the first step? Find the number in the ones place, put a bar after that. Yes? So 1 is the number in the ones place, place a bar. As I say, now we have to look the numbers before the this particular position. What are the numbers available? 1 and 2. Here there are 2 numbers available. Add the 2 numbers. 2 plus 1, 3. Place 3 here. 2, here there are 2 numbers available. So 2 plus 1, add these 2 numbers, place the number here, 3. Now add these 2 numbers, 4. So first operation is over. Now take your bar, place the bar to the next level. Here there is only one number, bring the number here, that is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, and bring the number down, 13. Always the last digit will be the remainder and this will be the quotient. Why the remainder is 4? In any division operation, the remainder will always be greater than or equals to 0 and lesser than the divisor. So the possible values for the remainder will be 0 to 8. So the last digit is always the remainder. The remaining digit must be taken as the quotient. Is it corresponding with your typical method? Yes. 13 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. So this is the fast method. You will see that as the number increases, it is the same single step method. Here you had 2 steps where it is the same single step method. Now shall we take another example? So let us divide this 3-digit number by 9 using typical method. 3, 1, 2. So 9 3s are 27. Remainder is 4. Bring 2 down. It is 4s are 36. Remainder is 6. In our fast method, find the number in the units digit. It is 2. Place the bar. There are 2 numbers before it. So add it. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next, add it. It is 6. Place the bar here. There is only 1 digit available. Bring it here. 3 plus 1 is 4. And the remaining number down. So this, the last digit will always be your remainder. and this digit will be your quotient. So let us divide 40 by 9 using typical method. 9 4s are 36, remainder is 4. This is your quotient. Now, to do it using a fast method, as I said, after one digit place a bar. Okay. Now, how many numbers are there before the bar? There is only one number. Bring it exactly down to the number or to the position just before it. That is, bring straight away here. So 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Place a bar. Remaining number is 4. Bring it down. It is 4. In a character. So this is your remainder. This is your quotient. The number that is to the right hand side of your bar will be your remainder, and the remaining number will be your quotient. Fine? Is it corresponding with your typical method? Yes. Now we shall go for another number, say 52. In the typical method, 9 5s are 45, remainder is 7. In your fast method, place a bar, bring the number down, 5, 5 plus 2 7, bring the number straight away down, 5. This will be your remainder, this will be your quotient. Yes? So shall we do it little bit faster? Let us take another number, say 61. 9 6 are 54. The remainder is 7. Typical method. 61. Place a bar, bring 6 down, 6 plus 1 7. Place the bar, bring the number down. 7 is your remainder, 6 is your quotient. Take 70. 9 7s are 56. 9 7s are 63. Remainder is 7. So this is your remainder, this is your quotient. In your fast method, 70. Place a bar, bring 7 down, add 0 plus 7, 7. 7 is your remainder, 7 is your quotient. Take 80. 9 8s are 72. Remainder is 8. Quotient, remainder. 80. Fast method. Place a bar, bring the number down. 0 plus 8 is 8. Bring the number down, 8. Remainder, quotient. Now for 3 digits, we have seen the procedure earlier. What is the typical method for dividing the number 103? Take 2 digits initially. 9 1s are 9. Remainder is 1. Bring the number down, 13. 9 1s are 9. 4. This is your remainder. This is your quotient. 9 11s are 99 plus 4 is 103. In your fast method, this time we are going to do it a bit faster. So keep everything in your mind. We have to place the bar just before the last digit. Now there are 2 digits before the bar, so add them. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now take the next digit, that is 0. In front of the 0 there is only one digit, that is 1. So bring the 1 down. 0 plus 1 is 1. The remaining number is 1. The last digit will be your remainder, quotient. That right? Yes. So if you are not getting this clear, I will tell you a bit slowly. So 103, take the last digit. There are 2 digits available. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Place the bar. This is going to your remainder. There is no doubt this is going to be your remainder. Now what about the other numbers? So forget about this bar. Place the bar here. There is only one number 1. So bring 1 down here. 0 plus 1 is 1. And now there is only one number available. So bring it straight away down. This is going to be our quotient. Fine. So that is how we got 11 as the quotient, 4 as the remainder. So when you do it mentally, how will you start? To divide 103, only thing you should keep in your mind is 3. When you do it mentally, 103 is to be divided by 9 using fast method. So straight away put a bar, take the last digit. There are 2 digits available. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now take 0. In front of it there is only 1. Bring it 1. And now there is remaining only 1. So place 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. This one will be a remainder. 0 plus 1 is 1. The remaining number is 1. So this is your quotient. Okay. So without any bars you should be able to do it mentally. Let us take 1, 1, 3. In your typical method, 9 ones are 9, 23. Remainder 2, bring the number down. 2s are 18, remainder 5. This is quotient. Now we are going to do it mentally. 1, 1, 3. What you should do? See the last number 3. Now there are 2 numbers in before it. So add these 2 numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring down 2. Next, take this number. There is only one number before it. So it is 1. Bring the number down. 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is your remainder. 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring this number down. This is your quotient. 12 is the quotient. 5 is the remainder. Okay, now we'll take 4 digits. So what is the typical method? Take 2 digits at a time. 9 ones are 9. Remainder is 3. Take the next one, 30. 3s are 27. The remainder is 3. Take the next digit, 33. 3s are 27. Remainder is 6. This is your quotient. So in your typical method, there has been 1, 2. It is around 3 steps of operation. So let us try with our fast method. 1, 2, 0, 3. Shall we do it mentally? Now the last number is 3. So just take 3 as it is. There are 3 digits before it. Same procedure, add the numbers. 0 plus 2 plus 1. That is 3. Place the number 3 here. Now take 0. There are 2 numbers before it. Add them. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now take 2. There is only one number before it. Just place 1 here. Add this. 3 plus 3 is 6. This is your remainder. 0 plus 3 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Bring the number as it is. 133. This is your quotient. 133 is your quotient. 6 is your remainder. So there is only one step. Irrespective of the magnitude of the number which you are going to divide it by 9, in your fast method you will be using only one step of operation. So shall we take some other number? I will explain it once again. 1203. So take the last number, it is 3. There are 3 numbers before it. Just add them. 0 plus 2 plus 1, 3. Place 3 here. Now take 0. There is only 2 numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now take 2. There is only one number. Place 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. This is your remainder. 0 plus 3 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Remaining number 1. So this is your quotient. Now shall we take 5 digits? So to divide 1, 2, 0, 3, 1. It is a 5 digit number. Dividing this by 9. What is the first step? Take 2 numbers. 9 ones are 9. Remainder is 3. Bring the number down. 3s are 27. Remainder 3. Bring the number down. 33. Once again it is 327. Remainder is 6. 1. 9 7s are 9. 6 are 54. Your remainder is 7. So this is your remainder. This is your quotient. How many steps of operation? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 4 steps of operation. Let us check it out with a fast method. 1, 2, 0, 3, 1. What is the first step? Look at the number in the ones digit. It is 1. There are 4 digits before the number 1. The same procedure, add them. 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. 6. Place 6 here. Now go to 3. There are 3 digits before it. Add them. 0 plus 2 plus 1. That is 3. Now go to 0. There are 2 digits before it. 2 plus 1. 3. Now go to 2. There is only 1 digit before it. Place 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. This is your remainder. 3 plus 3 is 6. 0 plus 3 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. The remaining digit is 1. This is your quotient. This is your remainder. 1, 3, 3, 6 is your quotient. 7 is your remainder. How many steps of operation? 1 step of operation. So in a typical method, dividing 18 by 9. This is a special case because 18 is an exact multiple of 9. The remainder will be 0. So let us see what is the appropriate fast method for dividing such numbers. In a typical method, it is not a problem because 9 2s are 18. The remainder is 0. 9 2s are 18. So 2 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. How will you do this in your fast method? In your fast method, the procedure is you have to see the last number. Now before the last number, you have only one number here, so it is 1. So place 1 here. 8 plus 1 is 9. Bring the number down. This is the procedure for fast method. Take the last digit. There is only one number before it, so bring it here. 8 plus 1 is 9. Bring the number down 1. So this will be your remainder and this will be your quotient. But now you have to observe that there is a rule. The remainder must be greater than or equals to 0 and less than the divisor. But in this case, it is equal to the divisor. So you should know the modulo values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8, you will not get 9 in modulo arithmetics. Instead of 9, you will get 0. So the maximum possible value is 0 to 8. So now what you should do when the number 9 comes, the 9 should turn to 0 with a value of 1. That is, 9 must be made 0 and 1 should be added to the quotient. So the quotient will become 2. 9, when number greater than the divisor comes here, it should be made equivalent to the corresponding modular value. When it is 9, what is the corresponding modulo value for 9? It is 0. So place 0, add 1 value to the quotient. So it becomes 1 plus 1, 2, and that is your quotient. So now it is equivalent to your typical method. 2 is your quotient, 0 is your remainder. We will see another number also. Say for 27. 9 3s are 27, 0. So this is your remainder, this is your quotient. How will you do this in your fast method? 2, 7. Take the last value. There is only one digit before it, that is 2. So place 2 here. 7 plus 2 is 9. Bring the number down here, 2. What you should do? 9 is greater than the divisor. Change this into corresponding modulo 9 value. Modulo 9 value is 0. Add 1 here, 3. So this will become your remainder. This will become your quotient. Now here is a special case, another one. What is the typical method? 9 1s are 9, 4, 6, 5s are 45, 1. So this is your quotient, this is your remainder. Isn't it? Now how to do it in a fast method? 9, 1, 3, 6. Take the last value 6. There are two numbers before it. 3 plus 1 is 4. Place 4 here. Now take 3. 1 is the number before it. Place 1. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 is your remainder. 3 plus 1 is 4. Bring 1 down, 14. Now see, observe the value of the remainder. It is greater than your divisor. What is the corresponding modulo 9 value for 10? The corresponding modulo 9 value for 9 is 0. What is the corresponding modulo 9 value for 10? It is 1. Isn't it? So change 10 into 1. Now When you change to the modulo value, what you should do? Add 1 to the quotient. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 15 becomes quotient, 1 becomes your remainder. Is that right? Yes. From 0 to 8 it is not a problem. Similarly from 9 to 17. For 9 to 17 you have to find the modulo value. Modulo 9 value of 9 is 0. Modulo 9 value of 10 is 1. Modulo 9 value of 11 is 2. So change the remainder according to the modulo value. Increment the quotient by the corresponding value. From 9 to 17 you will increment the quotient value by 1. From say 18 to 26 you will increment the quotient value by 3. I hope it is getting clear. So we will see a number. So to divide 3297, let us take a 4-digit number, 3297. To divide it by 4 using typical method, what is the procedure? 9 3s are 27, take 9, 59, 6 are 54, 5, 7, remainder, 6 are 54, 3 is your remainder, and 366 is your quotient. There are 3 levels of operation. Now the corresponding fast method, 3, 2, 9, 7. What you should do? Take the last digit, observe the numbers before it. So add all these numbers. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. So place 14 here. Now take 9. There are 2 digits available before it. 3 plus 2 is 5. Place 5. Now take 2. 3 is before it. Place 3. 14 plus 7 is 21. Put a bar. 9 plus 5 is 14. Leave as it is. 3 plus 2 is 5. Bring the remaining number, that is 3. Now how to find the final values? So 21, you have to find the modulo. Divide 21 by modulo 9. Isn't it? The modulo 9 value of 21. What is this? You will get 3. And how much will you add to the next number? From 0 to 8, we never added anything this side. From 9 to 17, we were adding 1 to the quotient value. And from 18 to 26, you should add 2 to the quotient value. So 21 modulo 9 value is 3. Add 1 to the next number. So it becomes 15. What is the modulo 9 value of 15? It is 6. Remainder value will be 1. Add 1 here. It becomes 6. 3 as it is. So this is your quotient. This is your remainder. So 21 modulo 9 value is 3. You have to add 1 to the next number. 14 plus 1 is 15. Modulo 9 value of 15 is 6. And you have to add 1 to the next number. Add 6. Remainder 3. This is your quotient. This is your remainder.